Welcome to Apexaura, your gateway to a world of supernatural herbal products. In this video, we'll guide you through how to use the Apexaura app, from downloading to registration and login, ensuring you can explore and enjoy our exclusive offerings. Step 1. Downloading the app. To embark on your Apexaura journey, you can easily download the Apexaura app from the Apple Store or the Play Store by simply clicking on the referral link provided by a friend. Step 2. Registration. Upon launching the app, you'll be presented with the option to choose your registration method, either through WhatsApp or email. The choice is yours. You can create an account on Apexaura in the way that suits you best. Registering via WhatsApp. Begin by selecting your country. Enter your phone number. Click the Send OTP button. Check your WhatsApp for the OTP number. Enter the OTP correctly into the designated text box. Click the Verify OTP button. In the subsequent window, provide your name and a password for future logins. Confirm the password. Ensure you read and accept the terms and conditions and confirm you are over 18. Finally, hit the Create User button and your Apexaura account will be ready. You'll receive your user code via WhatsApp. Make sure to keep it safe for future logins. Registering via email, choose the email registration option. Enter your email address accurately. After a brief wait, an OTP will be sent to your email. Enter the OTP number and click the OTP confirmation button. Provide your name, select your country, and set a password for future logins. Confirm the password. Agree to the terms and conditions and confirm you are over 18. Click Create User to create your Apexaura account. Keep an eye on your email for a continuation of the registration process. You'll receive an email containing your user code, so be sure to save it. Logging into Apexaura app. Apexaura app welcomes both members and non-members. If you don't have an account, don't worry. You can still purchase products at regular retail prices from anywhere in the world. However, if you are an Apexaura member, follow these steps to log in. Click on the Login button. Enter your user code and password. Click Login. Being an Apexaura member grants you access to special discounted prices on our products. So, ensure you're logged in when making your purchases. You can easily verify your membership by checking your name and user code at the top of the app. With your Apexaura account set up, you're now ready to explore our wide range of supernatural herbal products. Thank you for choosing Apexaura, where nature meets technology for a healthier you.
Apexaura. It's your crown.